Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, mammals. This video is an instructional video on how to complete your summative assignment for macromolecules. You're going to be making a presentation where you summarize in your own words the information that we've presented for the four kinds of macromolecules. That would be carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleotides. Let me get into the template that I've made for you to help make sure that you get all the points in your presentation that I would like you to have so you get a good score. This first page, you can just replace it with the title and your name. The second page is going to be about some functional groups. We've used a few functional groups. There are a whole lot out there, but these are the ones that we've used mostly to identify monomers as belonging to a carbohydrate, lipid, protein, or nucleotide. What I would expect to be in here is some images of these kinds of functional groups. You don't really have to say what the functional groups do, you just have to say, here's what a carboxylic acid looks like, so I know it when I see it. So it could be pretty simple of just selecting good images and labeling them as these functional groups. Then for each of the four kinds of macromolecules, you're going to have 3 slides. So this is going to kind of repeat itself for each one. The first slide is talking about the monomers that make up the polymers of the macromolecules. So find some images of the monomers. So what's a monomer of a carbohydrate, what's it called, and what functional groups are there that help you identify it. So if you found a good image of a carbohydrate monomer, tell me what it's called, point out the functional groups that are present that let you know that it's a monomer of a carbohydrate. Then I want you to tell me how the monomers link together to produce a polymer. And there's only been one chemical reaction that we've used for all 4 of these to join them together. So this would be finding or creating a relevant image that shows that chemical reaction. And it's been dehydration in every case. So find an image or make an image of 2 carbohydrate monomers joining together through a dehydration reaction. Then tell me what the polymers are called when this happens. So we get a new name for the polymer versus just the monomer. Lastly, tell me how those macromolecules function in biology. So what are all the different functions? Each of them has at least a couple different functions in biology, and just summarize that information there. And then this repeats itself for the 4 macromolecules. Carbohydrates, you got the same 3 slides, identify the monomer and how the monomers join, and functions for proteins, lipids, and nucleotides. So if you have any questions about how to complete this, I'm going to attach a rubric that can be helpful for you to go through as a checklist so that you know everything that I'm looking for and you can make sure that you'll earn enough points to get a good grade. Also, after I produced the first macromolecule video, if you've not looked at it already, it was really long. It was like 30 minutes. And a lot of people were saying it was too hard to get through. So I've posted 4 shorter videos where I talk about these 3 things for the presentation for each macromolecule type. I go through the function, how the monomers join, and how to identify the monomers for each of those. And as individuals, just a video about proteins than lipids. And it's shorter and might make it easier for you to find the information that you need. So if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. And as always, take care of yourself and others, practice good hygiene, and I'll see you on the flip side.